fastest morning drink for weight loss and metabolism boost. A simple morning drink can become a powerful daily ritual that wakes up your body, activates your metabolism, and sets the rhythm for better energy and fat burning throughout the day. When you start your morning with ingredients that support digestion, hydration, and thermogenesis, your body naturally responds with improved calorie burn and better nutrient absorption. The idea isn't about magic or overnight results, it's about giving your metabolism the push it needs when it's at its slowest, right after you wake up. The drink works best when prepared fresh and consumed on an empty stomach, allowing it to stimulate digestive enzymes and encourage your body to start converting stored energy into fuel. As your system wakes up, this gentle metabolic boost helps you feel lighter, more active, and more refreshed, making your morning routine more productive physically and mentally. The foundation of any metabolism-boosting morning drink is hydration. After hours of sleep, your body is mildly dehydrated, and dehydration slows every metabolic process. When you drink something warm first thing in the morning, it triggers thermogenesis, a process in which your body burns calories to raise its internal temperature. Warm water alone can start this process, but adding natural ingredients enhances the effect dramatically. Many people include lemon because it supports digestion and provides vitamin C, which helps break down fat. Lemon's acidity signals your stomach to produce digestive enzymes, making your metabolism more active from the start. Its detoxifying properties also help flush out waste accumulated overnight, improving your overall metabolic function. Another powerful addition is honey, a natural source of energy that stabilizes blood sugar instead of spiking it. When your blood sugar is stable, your metabolism works more efficiently and your body avoids the sudden crashes that often lead to cravings later in the day. Raw honey contains enzymes and antioxidants that support digestive health, which directly influences how quickly your metabolism operates. Cinnamon is another ingredient often used in morning metabolism drinks because it warms the body from within and increases insulin sensitivity, helping your body use carbohydrates as fuel more effectively. It enhances calorie burn and supports appetite control, making it easier to maintain a balanced and energized state throughout your morning. Apple cider vinegar is also popular in metabolism-boosting drinks due to its acetic acid content. This compound helps regulate blood sugar, improves digestion, and supports the breakdown of stored fat. When taken in small amounts mixed with warm water and lemon, it can reduce bloating and increase the body's ability to use fat as energy. The slight acidity of vinegar also helps your body maintain a natural pH balance, promoting better gut health, an essential part of a faster metabolism. A healthy gut means smoother digestion, fewer toxins, and improved absorption of nutrients, all of which contribute to long-term metabolic health. Ginger is another ingredient often chosen because of its warming effect. It increases circulation and stimulates digestive activity, encouraging your body to start burning calories right away. Ginger also reduces inflammation, which is important because chronic inflammation can slow metabolic processes and lead to fatigue. When ginger is combined with lemon and warm water, the effect becomes even stronger, creating a drink that supports fat burning from multiple angles. This combination is particularly helpful for people who wake up feeling sluggish or bloated, as it gently energizes the body and improves blood flow. Some people add green tea or matcha powder to their morning drink for an extra metabolic boost. These contain catechins, natural compounds that increase fat oxidation and help your body burn more calories during physical activity. Even if you're not exercising early in the morning, these compounds help your metabolism stay active and efficient throughout the day. The caffeine in green tea also provides a clean burst of energy that doesn't cause jitters or a crash later on. Combined with lemon, the drink becomes even more effective because vitamin C supports the absorption of antioxidants found in tea. Turmeric is another beneficial ingredient known for its anti-inflammatory properties. When metabolic inflammation is reduced, your body can process food more effectively and burn more calories. Adding a pinch of turmeric with a little black pepper boosts its absorption, creating a drink that not only ignites metabolism but also supports long-term health. The warm spices also create gentle heat in the body, further encouraging fat burning. This makes turmeric an excellent addition for people who want a morning drink that helps with digestion, immunity, and metabolism all at once. No matter which ingredients you choose, consistency is the key. Drinking a metabolism-boosting drink once won't make a noticeable difference, but making it a part of your morning routine can transform your energy levels, digestion, and overall wellness. The body thrives on routine, and when you regularly signal your metabolism to wake up early, it becomes more responsive and active throughout the day. Over time you may notice better weight control, reduced bloating, improved appetite, and enhanced focus. These changes come not from drastic dieting, but from supporting your body's natural metabolic rhythm. A metabolism-boosting morning drink works best when paired with simple lifestyle habits like light stretching, walking,